Project Gateway, Secret Space Station. While the public has been captivated by the International Space Station, ISS, a marvel of international collaboration orbiting 250 miles above Earth, a far more advanced and highly classified space station may have been silently operating beyond the reach of public knowledge. Project Gateway, a rumored covert U.S. initiative, is said to have constructed a secret space station in low Earth orbit, LEO, or even further beyond, capable of hosting advanced experiments, monitoring extraterrestrial activity, and possibly serving as a launch point for deep space missions. If the allegations surrounding Project Gateway are true, this hidden space station may be the key to understanding a secret space program, SSP, that has been operating for decades, using technology that far exceeds anything disclosed to the public. But what was the true purpose of Project Gateway, and why has it remained hidden from public view? The official narrative: the Lunar Gateway as a stepping stone to Mars. Publicly, Gateway refers to NASA's Lunar Gateway, a planned space station that will orbit the Moon and serve as a critical waypoint for future missions to Mars and beyond. The Lunar Gateway, part of NASA's Artemis program, is being developed with international partners such as ESA, Roscosmos, JAXA, and CSA to establish a lunar outpost that will enable long-term human exploration of deep space. The Lunar Gateway is expected to serve as a platform for crewed missions to the Moon, a staging ground for Artemis astronauts traveling to and from the lunar surface, scientific research, studying the Moon's environment, radiation exposure, and deep space conditions, future Mars missions, acting as a testing ground for technologies and systems needed for long-duration missions to Mars. But while the public has been told that Gateway is still in the planning stages, some theorists believe that Project Gateway, a different, classified initiative, has already been operational for decades. The secret Project Gateway, a covert space station beyond the ISS. According to whistleblowers, insiders, and leaked documents, Project Gateway is not the Lunar Gateway being developed by NASA. It is a classified U.S. military space station that has been secretly operating in orbit for decades. Project Gateway allegedly serves multiple covert purposes, including monitoring extraterrestrial activity. Project Gateway is said to be equipped with advanced surveillance technology capable of detecting and tracking unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, and extraterrestrial craft. It allegedly monitors Earth's orbit and beyond for signs of non-human activity, ensuring that hostile or unknown entities do not threaten terrestrial security. Reverse engineering alien technology. Some insiders claim that Project Gateway serves as a research and development platform where reverse-engineered extraterrestrial technologies are tested and refined. These technologies, retrieved from crashed UFOs and other classified missions, allegedly include advanced propulsion systems, anti-gravity technology, and directed energy weapons. Interstellar communication and diplomacy. Leaked reports suggest that Project Gateway may facilitate communication with extraterrestrial civilizations. The station is rumored to house sophisticated communication systems capable of transmitting and receiving signals over interstellar distances, possibly engaging in diplomatic exchanges with advanced civilizations. Launch platform for covert space missions. Some sources allege that Project Gateway serves as a launch point for deep space missions, enabling classified operations beyond Earth's orbit. These missions, conducted by the Solar Warden Fleet and other components of the Secret Space Program, SSP, may involve exploration, reconnaissance, and contact with extraterrestrial species. Construction and deployment. When was Project Gateway built? The exact timeline of Project Gateway's construction remains shrouded in mystery, but insiders suggest that construction began in the 1980s or early 1990s, around the same time as the development of the Strategic Defense Initiative, SDI, commonly known as Star Wars. According to whistleblowers such as Corey Goode and William Tompkins, Project Gateway was assembled in orbit using classified space shuttles, military spaceplanes, and other advanced craft. Some allege that the X-37B orbital test vehicle, an unmanned spaceplane operated by the U.S. Air Force, has played a critical role in resupplying and maintaining the station. If these accounts are accurate, then Project Gateway has been operational for decades, quietly conducting classified research and extraterrestrial surveillance while the public's attention was focused on the ISS. Advanced technologies aboard Project Gateway. What is being tested? Project Gateway is said to be equipped with technology that surpasses anything known to the public. Some of the advanced systems allegedly deployed aboard the station include zero-point energy systems. Project Gateway may be powered by zero-point energy devices, allowing it to operate indefinitely without the need for traditional fuel sources. Artificial gravity systems. Unlike the ISS, which relies on microgravity, Project Gateway is rumored to utilize artificial gravity generators that create Earth-like conditions, enabling long-term habitation and research. Cloaking and stealth technology. Project Gateway is allegedly equipped with cloaking technology that renders it invisible to radar and optical detection, allowing it to operate undetected in Earth's orbit. Extraterrestrial propulsion systems. Some sources claim that Project Gateway has reverse-engineered propulsion systems based on alien technology, enabling it to move between different orbital positions or even travel to other celestial bodies. Secret experiments and classified operations. What's really happening on Gateway? If Project Gateway is real, its classified experiments and operations may be even more unsettling than its existence. Whistleblowers and insiders have suggested that Project Gateway has been the site of experiments involving human subjects, biological manipulation, and interaction with extraterrestrial entities. Possible experiments include human augmentation and genetic manipulation. Project Gateway may be conducting experiments aimed at enhancing human capabilities, using technologies derived from extraterrestrial sources. Contact and communication with non-human intelligences. Some theorists suggest that Project Gateway is involved in ongoing contact and negotiations with extraterrestrial species, acting as a neutral site for diplomatic exchanges and information sharing. Testing advanced space weaponry. The station may serve as a testing platform for space-based weapons, including directed energy weapons, particle beam systems, and kinetic bombardment technologies. Extraterrestrial collaboration. Are we working with alien civilizations? One of the most controversial claims about Project Gateway is that it may be part of a joint human-extraterrestrial effort to monitor and control space activity around Earth. According to some insiders, Project Gateway hosts alien liaisons and scientists who collaborate with human researchers to exchange knowledge, develop new technologies, and prevent unauthorized extraterrestrial incursions. These alleged alliances with advanced civilizations may involve agreements that regulate Earth's space activities and interactions with other species, ensuring that humanity's expansion into space does not provoke unintended consequences. The cover-up. Why has Project Gateway been hidden? If Project Gateway exists, the implications for humanity are profound. But why has this information been kept secret for decades? The reasons for the cover-up are multifaceted and deeply unsettling. Preserving geopolitical control. Disclosure of Project Gateway would shift the balance of global power, as control over space-based technologies and extraterrestrial knowledge would drastically alter the dynamics of international relations. Preventing mass panic. The acknowledgement of a secret space station monitoring extraterrestrial activity could trigger widespread panic, societal disruption, and a loss of faith in government institutions. Monopolizing advanced technologies. Governments and intelligence agencies may have suppressed information about Project Gateway to maintain exclusive control over technologies that could revolutionize energy, propulsion, and communication systems. What lies ahead? Is disclosure imminent? As pressure builds for disclosure of UAPs and the existence of a secret space program, the truth about Project Gateway may soon come to light. But if Project Gateway has been operational for decades, conducting classified research, monitoring extraterrestrial activity, and interacting with non-human intelligences, the revelation of its existence would fundamentally alter our understanding of space, technology, and humanity's place in the cosmos. The real question is, are we ready to confront the reality of a hidden space station operating in Earth's orbit? A station that has been silently shaping the future of humanity without our knowledge? The answers may lie beyond the stars, waiting to be unveiled when the time is right. But when the truth about Project Gateway is finally revealed, humanity's perception of the universe will never be the same.